Hello, today we will guide you through how to change language in Claude AI. If you want to use Claude AI in a language that feels more comfortable for you, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can update the language setting without any confusion. To begin, open Claude in your web browser. Once the page loads, make sure you are on the main Claude interface. This is the screen where you normally start a new chat or interact with the assistant. Give the page a second to fully load so all menu options are visible before moving on. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left area of the screen. This is where you'll find the language option. Depending on your screen size or browser window, it may appear as a visible label or a menu item near the lower corner. When you hover your cursor over that area, you should be able to view the available language choices. Move slowly and carefully so you don't miss it, especially if the interface looks slightly different on your device. As you browse through the language list, take a moment to find the one you want to use. This setting controls the display language of the interface, so selecting the right option can make navigation much easier and more comfortable. If you don't immediately see your preferred language, continue hovering and checking the list until you locate it. Once you find your preferred language, go ahead and click on it. After you select it, the interface should update to reflect your choice. In most cases, the change happens right away, so you can immediately confirm that the new language has been applied by looking at the menus and on-screen labels. If the language does not appear to change instantly, wait a few seconds for the interface to refresh. Sometimes minor delays can happen depending on your connection or browser performance. If needed, you can also look again at the lower left section to verify your selection. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Claude AI. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how easily you use the platform. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped make the setup process clear and easy.